For the Art Science Museum residency, we had several workshops. The first was about solar floating hydrogen. So the young people were learning how to produce hydrogen from solar and at sea. So they were learning from simple kits how they could actually take water and break it with electricity to produce hydrogen and then power a motor. We had a second series of workshops with the Indigenous Outrigger. So the students were learning how to make simple boats from recycled material. And in this case here, you could see that they were designing and then using different materials to make their own designs, to make their own sails, their own hulls, and their own boats. It was a very multi-age. As you can see, there's some very young children participating, a lot of parents as well supporting. And the designs were very, very diverse. Some of them made like big platform, boats, multi-hull, simple outriggers or trimaran, catamaran. Yeah, really had a big diversity of design that came out.
So is that a pirate?
No, it's the captain.
It's a captain. This boats.
Turtle leopard. The turtle and a leopard, and then leopard and turtle.
The turtle leopard. And number two. Wow, it looks really good though.